Hey guys, today we're gonna make comparison video about the sound recording on the HERO9 Black. So we will compare recording quality of the internal microphone in HERO9 Black and the sound recording quality when we're using external microphone. As you know, HERO9 Black has two microphones, one here and one on the top, but they are not so good quality, and when you're recording in the windy conditions, in noisy conditions, they cannot handle sound well. So in some cases, when you're, for example, vlogging or just recording some interview, some person speaking, I think it's better to use an external microphone because you will get much higher sound quality. Yes, I agree that when you're shooting some actions, for example, when you're riding a bike, skiing, or doing some other activities, you will use just the GoPro, and obviously sound quality it doesn't matter for you. So, and it's will be not convenient to use the external microphone. But in case like a vlogging, some story filming, probably the better to use the external microphone. To use an external microphone on the HERO9 Black and some previous versions of GoPro, you need this adapter. It's called Pro 3.5 microphone adapter, and it connects here in USB-C port on the HERO9 Black, and in this jack you will connect your external microphone. Obviously it's not convenient to go like this, so my advice to you to buy something like this cage and to use it with external microphone and the microphone adapter. I will show you quick how it works. I have a separate video about that. You can watch it in the link in the video description or right up here. So first of all, you have to take off the side door on the whole GoPro, put the GoPro here, there. Here you have two shoe mounts or one shoe mount for your microphone, then put the adapter inside. As you can see, I have some tape around here because adapter sits not quite good here without tape, but with tape it's quite good. So you put adapter here and then connect USB-C cable into GoPro here, and you have this quite nice setup. And then you can put on your handle or some other mount depending on the situation you're using GoPro. So now we will go outside. I will test the noise using the hand grip, filming myself, and then I will do another test in the car while driving, because I know that some people, they're filming themselves. So you just put GoPro and suction cup on the window and you're filming yourself and using the microphone, and obviously there will be some sounds of the outer noise, engine noise. So we will compare that situation, how the internal microphone and external microphone compares in sound recording there. So let's go outside and check how it does. So now we're just testing microphone on the GoPro HERO9 Black. We'll start with the built-in internal microphone. So now I'm holding the GoPro on my hand. It's about 50 centimeters from me. I'm talking normally, and you can hear the quality of the sound which is being recorded. There are some cars passing by here. So again, this is an example of recording sound on the internal microphone on the GoPro HERO9 Black. Now I'm switched to external microphone. In our particular case, it's a RØDE VideoMicro, and I'm using that standard dead cat which is included with that microphone, and the setting is standard mic. So this is an example how it sounds. I'm pretty sure that it's much better. Some cars passing by, hear the sound, hear the noise here, and probably with this microphone you will not hear the snow rumbling. Oh yes, it's a nice weather today. We are in the middle of the winter, 15th of January. Super nice weather. So cold, about -5 degrees, but still very comfy. Now we're recording also an external microphone, RØDE VideoMicro, with that cat on, but this time I changed the setting in preferences in mods to standard mic plus, which means that we're using plus 50 decibels gain, so cars are passing by, so you can hear the difference. It will be definitely more louder, much louder, but maybe even too much. So once again, this is an example of video recording of sound to HERO9 Black with the external microphone with the setting standard mic plus. The next test is also RØDE VideoMicro with the HERO9 Black, but this time instead of dead cat we're using the simple black form pop-up filter on a microphone, because maybe you have spotted that when you film with a dead cat, it appears in the frame here up, because even I'm now using the linear viewing angle, it's not so wide, it's linear, but that dead cat still happened to be in that frame. So the one way I see to fix this is just using some stand to make the cold shear mount higher. But with this pop-up filter, with the foam pop-up filter, you will have no problems like that. But probably in the strong windy conditions, that cat will act as a denoiser much better. So once again, this is the test of sound recording on GoPro HERO9 Black with the RØDE VideoMicro on it with the foam pop-up filter. Here goes another test of sound recording on GoPro HERO9 Black. Currently I'm using internal microphone and we're driving the car, so let's give you an impression how it can handle the surrounding sounds and noises. I want to point that I'm driving an old Volkswagen Passat with a diesel engine and it's quite loud. Also I have studded tires, they are also quite loud, and it can be some actually vibrations from the engine through chassis, and they can be also here on video through the dismount which is on the glass. So once again, we're driving in the car, and now we're recording the sound on the internal microphone on HERO9 Black. So weather is nice, and let's enjoy this beautiful view. Next test, driving in the car, quite loud car, with the GoPro HERO9 Black with the external microphone, RØDE VideoMicro, and we're using the standard mic setting, and we're using the dead cat on that microphone. So GoPro is mounted on the front glass and the microphone is pointing towards me, just towards me, a little bit off, but mostly towards me. So once again, we're driving in the car, recording sound on HERO9 Black with the external RØDE VideoMicro. Setting is standard. Now we switched to standard mic plus, which means plus 20 decibels gain in volume of sound recording, and we're recording, I repeat, on the HERO9 Black with the external RØDE VideoMicro. Setting is standard plus, which means gain. This is a tiny part. Yes, we can make it here. 2 cars in white, just a little bit like that. Yes, so slow. Thank you. Yep, 20 decibels plus. It should be quite loud. I think this setting plus 20 decibels is not will be commonly used and used often, because it makes sound a lot loud, and not only your voice but also the surrounding sounds, surrounding noises. And the last test using GoPro Hero 9 Black with external RØDE VideoMicro. Recording sound setting is standard without gain, and we're using the simple foam pop-up filter on the microphone, not standard dead cat. So you can actually check the audio quality, audio volume, and this rumbling sounds, noises. I repeat that I'm driving an old Passat with a diesel engine, studded tires. The sound insulation in the car is not so good. We have a lot of sounds here, and let's check out how this microphone can handle all of that. Repeat it again. Hero 9 Black. Example of sound recording with external microphone, RØDE VideoMicro with the foam pop-up filter. Nice weather today. Nice weather to go for ski or take the snowboard or just walk around. Look at that. A lot of snow. But unfortunately tomorrow the temperature will be above 0, so all of these start to melt. Too bad. We are back at home. As you could see, the sound recording quality is quite different with the internal microphone and external microphone, especially in the noisy conditions like driving in the car and the filming. So now it's your turn to decide does its sound quality matters for you when you're recording, depending on your situation. So I'm strongly advise you to use the external microphone. There are a lot of them on the market and they are not so expensive. The RØDE VideoMicro I used, you can buy for only $50, and it's quite good investment if you want a good sound quality in your videos. So thank you for watching. I hope I answered the question, does it work to use external microphone on GoPro, and you will make decision for yourself how should you record your sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so I can make the more videos like this, and see you around.